then
There's
some
the
extra ties.
There's another bag.
Smaller clips. More cross beams. So you can get creative. I mean, seriously, you could create a whole lattice of just straight across. You don't have to go in a circle. You could just make a whole lattice straight across something if you wanted to. But I think it's gonna work for this. What do you think?
Very nice.
I like it too. I got to playing with this a little bit more. Loving these clips. I'm losing the sun over here. You can see this one pretty good. It just really feels good. In the listing it says that this is steel and it looks like rebar, but I've got one upside down right here. There's a point and these are unpointed. So I'm going to try something. If this is plastic, I'll be able to cut through it. And if you look at it real close, there is steel in there, but it's not like you would think. It's just solid steel like we expected. That said, I'm real happy with this. You can see it there too. You see what that is?
It's a wire.
It's steel, like it's plastic wrapped in steel wrapped in plastic. But I mean, it doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like steel. It's heavy.
It's better than just plastic.
It is better than just plastic, I think. But it's definitely not rebar like it appears. So that's just something to know about. Other than that, this thing is awesome. Something they don't mention in on the listing is that you have all kinds of options with this. You think about it, you have 10 of these towers. So that means you have 30 of these poles. You could make a whole wall of these, tie them all together. You could do them in a zigzag. You could do them straight across and pin them. You can use this any kind of ways. You can get really creative with this. So I'm really, really happy with this. We're gonna buy some tomato plants and we're gonna get some morning glories and we're gonna get some wisteria. We're gonna grow some cool stuff with this. So I'm very happy with it. I'm sure you would be too. I hope you found this video helpful.